Torque pretest, problem number 13. Will needs to tighten a bolt. He uses a 25 centimeter longer wrench and apply a force of 17 newtons at 37 degrees with the horizontal motion. How much torque is produced to do this job approximately? So what we are going to do here is, remember, the force that you produce torque will be perpendicular to the direction of motion. So this force is not. So we need to calculate the components. You are going to call Fy. And we can find this angle here, which is 90 minus 37, which is 53 degrees. And we need to find this component. So we are going to use cosine because adjacent to this angle. So cosine of 53 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 17. So Fy is 17 times cosine of 53. So Fy is 17 times cosine of 53 is 10.23 newtons. Perfect. Now we are going to rearrange this picture, make it easier to look what's going on. So let's say this is the wrench, and by this end is the fulcrum, because that's when it's turning. So that we are going to represent the fulcrum with this triangle, and the force is in this direction, Fy, which is perpendicular to the motion. Perfect. And now the distance where the force is applied to the fulcrum is 25 centimeters. In terms of meter, will be 0.25 meter. We divide this by 100. Okay, to get the, okay. I like to make bars blue, green. Okay, so now the torque that is asking is the force times the distance where the force is applied to the fulcrum. Now this force here in this case is our Fy, so torque is Fy, which is 10.23 newtons times the distance, which is 0.25 meter. So torque is times 0.25 is 2.55 or 56, let's do that, newtons meter. That's the final answer.